For this demonstration, I will be using a vulnerable software taken from exploit database website. The download link for this software exists in the PDF document on udemy.com, so you can download it and follow the steps with me. Okay, once the software is downloaded, let's try together and install this software here on our virtual machine. Okay, it's still loading. Okay, so let's go for next. Okay, so next, then accept, next. Okay, so once it's finished, and I will restart my PC later. Okay, so right now, let's try and create a non-admin standard account. And if we go to add or remove user account, okay, here we got a non-admin account previously created while, testing the vulnerability. So I'm gonna just delete this account entirely, and we will be creating a new one from scratch. Okay, so cancel, and let's go create a new account, and I will call this one non-admin. Create account, and let's set up a password for this one. Create password, and I will do 123 123, and the hint is also 123. Okay, so right now what I'm gonna do, I will log in into our non-admin account. So let me close this one and do a quick restart. Okay, here we go. So password 123. Okay, so first of all, let me quickly show some desktop icons. And I'm gonna go to the control panel and change desktop icons. So my computer. Okay, remember that now we are logged into non-admin account. So I will navigate to the Photodex directory, and on the same time I will open the task manager. Okay, so this is the directory for Photodex, and let me open the task manager. Now if you pay a close attention to the service name which gets created by Photodex software, let me scroll down a little bit, and the service name is SCS Access. Now let's get more information about this service, and I will go to services and filter them out. So this is our service here. Now once I click properties, now you can see that we were able to find the exe file path for this service. Okay, so let's go and have a look into this directory. Okay, and if we scroll down, okay, so this is our exe file here. Now if I do a right click on it, notice that we don't need any admin privilege to rename, delete, copy, or even cut this file. So technically, if I rename this file to ABC for instance, and then replaced a malicious file instead of this one, then we can take an advantage of this vulnerability. Okay, let's see what we can do with this vulnerability. But first, let me grab my pen here. Alright, so in the next video, we will create a new service exe file purely in Python. Then we will replace the current one, which is the sci access.exe file, and we will see on what privilege we can gain an access by doing so. That's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching.